right, welcome to this video walkthrough of a Mission Hill 1-bedroom on the 3rd floor, top floor. So we're gonna have some nice views. We got a beautifully well-maintained bathroom, very basic. Got your toilet, sink, tub, shower, vanity right there. All right, we have a coat closet as soon as you walk into the left. We have the bedroom to the left as well. Exposed brick, not too shabby. Little window facing the rear of the building. Some closet space right here. Decent size. Okay. And then we head over to the living room. Good sized living room with some nice bay windows. We have a utility closet or maybe a pantry right there. So again, always a nice feature to have when you have those bay windows overlooking the street from the top floor. And then we have the kitchen right here in the corner. Very simple, very basic, but all the essentials. Electric stove, cabinets up top. We have a sink right there. Good sized fridge, or decent sized fridge at least. Drawers, and again, some more windows overlooking that front. Hope you enjoyed the video walkthrough. There is coin operated laundry on site, heat and hot water included. And that's pretty much it. Okay, if you have any more questions, feel free to reach out. Angel@lmcrealtyboston.com. Happy hunting.